The Canadian condo market just shrank and rates still aren't coming down. Here's your Mortgage Minute for February 27th. Canada's economy shrank more than expected last quarter. Economists predicted a 0.2% dip. It came in at 0.6%, driven largely by a drop in business inventories. Annual growth for 2025 came in at 1.7%, the slowest pace since 2020. Despite the contraction, the Bank of Canada is expected to hold its policy rate in March and has warned that cutting rates in this environment risks fueling inflation. A preliminary estimate shows GDP was flat in January, not a recovery, but not worsening either. A new Equifax report shows mortgage delinquencies are rising in parts of Canada, with Ontario flagged as the highest stressed region due to larger mortgage balances and higher debt levels. The good news, early missed payments appear to have stabilized compared to last quarter. What's also noticeable is that lender switching at renewal is at its highest level in years. Ontario borrowers are actively shopping their mortgage rather than signing whatever the bank sends to them, and that's having a meaningful impact on monthly payments. This is something I've been talking about for a while now. You don't have to accept the number that your bank sends to you. Average condo prices in Toronto have hit $604,759 in January, down nearly 10% year over year. Sub $400,000 units have returned to the market for the first time in years, with decent quality one-bedroom units available in the high 300s. Despite lower prices and rates hovering around 4%, experts say affordability remains a challenge once you factor in taxes, condo fees, insurance, and utilities. This and ongoing tariff uncertainty is keeping buyers on the sidelines, with many betting prices will fall further in the months ahead. So what does this all mean? Well, rate cuts are not imminent. The data doesn't support it. If you're approaching renewal, now is the time to review your options rather than wait. Some lenders are actually offering cashback up to $5,000 to switch, which changes the math significantly. And if you're watching the condo market, lower prices help with the mortgage, but the full cost of ownership is what you actually qualify against. And that conversation is worth having before you make a move. Text me or call me, 249-480-1249. I'll give you the numbers specific to your situation. Have a great weekend.